Okay, so this is our group's product that was created out of recycled material. This is a pet food dispenser, and this was made out of colored paper boxes that I got from Costco, old recycled boxes. These little dispenser cups here are made from poster board that I had in my classroom that I used from old posters. On the back of this pet food dispenser, you see these little swivel sticks that turn, and I'll show you how this works in a couple seconds. But this was made out of recycled copy paper. Okay, so if you have a pet dog or cat, sometimes it can be overfed unintentionally by you or someone that lives in your home. The main idea behind this creation was to create a product that would not only help you remember in your daily feeding of your pet, but to also have the food pre-measured to save time and alleviate overfeeding your pet. So now I will demonstrate how this pet food dispenser works. So as you can see on this side of the pet food dispenser, you see the morning and you see evening, and in the middle you see Sunday through Saturday at the bottom. And each one of these little dispenser cups represents the morning feedings and the evening feedings. I feed my dog twice a day, once in the morning for breakfast, and then once when I come home from work, maybe about like 6 o'clock p.m. So each one of these dispenser cups, you can pop them out from the swivel in the back. And let's say I wanted to feed my dog Tuesday morning before I go to work. I would take the food bowl, and this holds a half cup of dry pet food, and then I will turn it, and it empties into my dog's bowl. And that's basically how it works. Come here, Lily. Come here. Come here. So she's eating her food. So I guess she has no problem with it. And this really saves a lot of time, and it saves a lot of other problems from overfeeding your pet, like I said before, eating too much, or even you forgetting to feed your pet in a particular day. And that's about it. Thank you.